find some of the offense that they had in Arizona on opening night.
Well, Clipsum just sends it. This is 2 goals off point shots. An area we talked, they need to get it through. Starts on the face-off. Face-off comes back. Good job. Postma kicks his to partner. It's Grant Clipsum, and is this Adam Lowry?
It might be.
Gets his first National Hockey. It's either him or Frolik that touched this puck. And I think it might be Adam Lowry. They may have to review this to see who touches it last. And by the smile on his face, guessing that we may have his first National Hockey League goal.